Hi, and welcome to another Hoowla video. This one we're going to look at how you can set up date reminders around statutory deadlines. For instance, a civil litigation defence case where you've got 14 days for the filing, or an employment tribunal where you've got 3 months minus 1 day sort of timescales for filing there. In this actual example, we're going to use a Joe. We're going to do a personal injury case where we've got a 3-year limitation period from the date of the injury. So we're on our dashboard screen at the moment. I won't. I'll whiz through opening up the case as there's other videos that will sort of cover that. But I'm going to go and create a new person card for our client Frank here. I'm going to save and instruct the client and open up a case we may refer to as a matter. So we'll open up a personal injury file. We'll stick with the default name of the case and pick our workflow, pick who's going to be working on it as the fee earner and the caseworker, and drop Frank into the client circle. We won't need to fill any of the other roles up for looking at the statutory deadlines. So, as many of you have watched other videos, this is a Hoowla case, and we've got our workflow at the top bit. But here we've got some key dates in the case data area, which is the date of the injury. So this could be collected in an intake form, digitally through the portal or through a letter. But we're going to manually enter it. We'll say that the injury was on the 4th. And now, as soon as we enter this, it will refresh the limitation date. It's going to be 3 years in advance. And this can apply to any date combinations in Hoowla, be it a few days or many years. You can set one date and it will set some other dates up for you. Now, that's all well and good, but how do you set that up in Hoowla? So let's dive a little bit deeper and see how that was actually created, because the power of Hoowla is it's configurable. So in the setup area, the way I've built this is using the custom fields. They're the database fields for your account in Hoowla, remember. I've set up a injury date. So here before, I've got the date of the injury, and if I edit that, it's a date field, and I've set it to have a future date functionality. So I've said once you set this date, pick another date field, in this case the limitation date, and set it to be, in this case, 3 years, which is 36 months after it. Now, if you've got one of those pesky deadlines like the employment tribunals where it's 3 months and a day minus 1 day, we've got this little tick box. And if you're forgetful like me, you can also set up email reminders straight off the bat. Hopefully you found this video interesting. If you want to configure this on your own account and you've already got a Hoowla account, just hit the help button, ring the support team or email us in. Or if you'd like to see a demo in a personal one-to-one demo, just come to Hoowla and request a demo and you'll get to speak to myself or one of the team. Thank you.